perfect morning. It's gorgeous. Clear sky, and it feels like it's 60 degrees right now. But Ryan's setting up the decoys. We got birds actually everywhere roosted, so hopefully something comes out into this food plot and decides to do a strut dance for his lady friend. And we got weapons of mass destruction to let him have it. David's gonna try to take one out with the bow for the first time. I'm gonna back him up with the goose cannon. It's not far. No, it's not.
They're in a weird spot. I think they're actually like in the creek bottom. Why did you start one back by the king blood? Yeah. It sounded like a jake. One of them might have broke off the pack.
It's good they can come in one by one. 15-minute increments.
He's getting really close.
Oh, he's right here. He's coming up the path. Oh, there's two of them.
Oh yeah.
They're coming in quick.
He's on the path. There's two of them.
3 of them.
Dean. Yeah. If something goes wrong and they start walking away, grab your gun and shoot one.
Okay, I'm gonna throw you this camera, but I'll grab it. I'm running in.
Don't move. Once they lock into the decoys, you're gonna have all the time you need.
Oh, shit.
Go get him.
Might run out there with him.
What?
Might run out there with him.
Yeah. Is it still going?
Man, that was freaking cool. They're still gobbling like crazy. What do we do? Can we just leave them right here and that's it? Get back in? Yeah. That's awesome.
Great shot.
Yeah, it was a great shot.
Oh my gosh, that was insane. That's awesome. Holy smokes. We got a lot more time. That other bird's hot. Let's get back in the pond.
Yeah, let's get back in. It's in the front pouch, very front.
Gotta come up right where those hands came up.
Yeah, they're right on there.
Just turn your camera on.
There they are. Here they go. Right up the path. 2 of them. 3 of them. 4 of them.
If something goes wrong with the bow and you feel like they're walking away, just shoot them.
Okay.
Shoot the one that's getting away. Oh, never mind. Shoot one of them.
Didn't shoot that one.
Shoot mine.
Shoot him.
Oh, is he? Shoot him.
No, you're good. Go get him, man.
Hey, bring the gun.
We just pulled off a triple, man. We just pulled off a triple. Triple gobblers opening morning. Unbelievable. Dude, what the hell just happened? Wow. What just happened? That was insane. That was freaking insane, dude.
We got a pile of birds down. Dude, just what if they shot? I heard 2 shots over that way.
The second shot, I didn't hear.
I didn't hear the second one either.
We got a little white spur over there.
A little white spur. He's like, shoot mine, he's getting away.
No, shoot the other one.
Oh,
Just
man.
shoot one.
I just was having a flashback of last year, right here,
Yeah.
and I saw him hopping off. That's exactly where that bird went
15
to.
minutes. Took you like 10 seconds or so to shoot.
Well, I didn't know. You're like, shoot the one that's running away, and he peeled off that way.
So right when I shot, did you decide not to shoot or what?
No, right when you shot, I couldn't, because that window's so small.
Yeah.
This bird, I couldn't see where he went. I saw that one go that way, so I was like,
Yeah,
getting
and this
ready,
one
then
was
you're like-
sitting right here.
and then you're like, shoot mine.
This one came back.
Yeah, he came back.
Yeah, that's the one.
He came back to get
You
some.
said shoot mine. So I got off that one, and I was on him, and then I saw him go
And then
down.
Dave's like, no, he's down, he's down.
Shoot that one.
Shoot the other one that's closer.
Yeah, it's all over the place.
Oh,
6 gobblers in one morning? That was insane.
3 and 3. Girls were coming
Thank
off
God
those.
we made that switch.
yeah.
Thank God we made that switch.
Yeah,
right.
that wasn't a good shooting location.
That was a good call.
Well, and you had the camera. You wouldn't have been able to.
No, yeah. No, I don't know why.
Yeah, thank God that we made that switch. That was nuts.
Nice job,
That
man.
was a good.
Holy
Thank you.
shit, Thank you.
That was a good.
That was
That was a lot of fun.
that standing here still in disbelief over what we've just done. 3 birds, one morning, opening morning of turkey season here in the southern region of Ohio. And we are all done for the day. That is for sure. Before 8 o'clock. First turkey with a bow with the signature series.
Wow, what kind of bird? We all got birds.
We all got birds.
I was feeling your heart pound, and it was making mine go crazy.
And I was like, I'm just trying to like hold it all together, praying that the camera didn't run out of batteries. You've come out of retirement. Well, how long has it been? 2 years?
No, yeah.
3 birds, 1 blind, opening day. I don't know. You can't beat that, that's for sure. Insane hunt. Absolutely insane turkey hunt this morning.